I made just under $6,000 in 1 month by simply selling t-shirts. Now, this is just on Etsy. This isn't counting any of the other marketplaces that I'm on. And some of those designs are actually still some of my best selling products. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm also going to teach you how to make different variations of these designs in minutes. So the way I did this is extremely simple, and now it's gotten even easier, especially since we have tools like AI. So one of the things that I like to do on a regular basis is come up with seasonal designs, specifically for holidays. Now, my personal favorite holiday to do this for is St. Patrick's Day. People love to wear drinking shirts, and they love funny shirts. Pretty much designs that show off how messed up they're going to get that day. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. My best seller during this time is a design of a leprechaun holding a beer glass, puking a rainbow by a pot of gold. Every single St. Patrick's Day for the past 4 years, that design has been selling like absolute crazy. And this year, I'm coming out with a few different versions. Now, this is how you can do this as well. So AI right now is making things easier than ever. And honestly, if you're not taking advantage, then you're losing out on money. One of my favorite text to AI generators that is completely legal to use, and you have the rights to use these images, is Kittl. Now, aside from that, Kittl also has a ton of awesome features, but their AI system is absolutely amazing. I love it. Check this out. So I'm going to make a different version of the shirt that I just told you. So right now we're over at the Kittl website. We're just going to go to Tools and AI Image Generator. Now these are the settings that I'm going to use. So for my prompt, I'm going to put a leprechaun. I don't know how to spell leprechaun. Leprechaun bending over near a pot of gold, holding a beer, puking a rainbow in a green meadow. Now the art style I'm going to choose for this is going to be clip art cartoon. The reason is because it's a lot easier to take out a background like this on a clip art image and not just have a big blocky design. So that's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and generate. And this is what it came up with. Okay. All right. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. So this is one option. Let's take off in a green meadow. And this time let's go with the mascot art style. Okay. I really like this one. I want this one and this art style. So let's try it again. I like the green meadow. Let's add the green meadow. And okay, I think this is my favorite one. I like this one. This one came out really good. All right, so there we just came up with 3 different variations in just a few minutes. So these are the ones that we have to choose from for now. So for now, let's just go ahead and remove these. I'm gonna stick to this one. And since this is the one that we're gonna use, let's also create a mockup. Alright, so all we have to do is grab our design, increase it a little bit, and that's what it's going to look like. Looks pretty good. Now, how did I get the original inspiration for that design? Well, I didn't make it. This is how I got it. So for this one, I actually just went to Vexels. Now, I did want to make a St. Patrick's Day shirt, but I just wasn't sure what I wanted to do. AI wasn't really available at the time, and my designing or drawing skills completely suck. So I had to find different ways to get more images. Now, I could always work with a graphic designer, but that can get very expensive very quick. So that's why websites that have these kinds of image services are so useful. So I was on Vexels and I looked up St. Patrick's Day shirt. And I started looking through all of the different designs that they have. This is how you can get inspiration for other types of designs as well. So you can start looking through some of these, see what different options they have. You can also go to Etsy. Let's say it's Christmas, you want to look up some funny Christmas PNGs. So then you have a few of these different ones, and I like this one. I'm fine, this is fine, everything is fine. And it's just a cluttered mess of lights. So what we can do is go back to the Kittl AI image generator and simply type in something along the lines of what we just saw. Christmas lights tangled up with a Christmas tree laying on the floor and a dog with its leg lifted next to it. So we're going to go back and we're going to do cartoon as well. Let's go ahead and generate the image. So as you can see, it's actually really easy to come up with some of these designs. All it really takes is just a little bit of niche research. Try to find what's trending, look for upcoming holidays or upcoming events, and try to mix everything in together in one way or another. Make things funny, make things unique, make things different, and make different variations. This is the most important part because this is how you're going to see what types of designs work for you. So that's one way that I was able to find success on Etsy. and hopefully it was able to help you out. Hopefully it gave you an idea on how to get started if you haven't started already, or how you can come up with different ideas or products. If you want to check out Kittl, the link to it is going to be down in the description below. Quick disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you click it and you make a purchase or you sign up for one of their plans, I will get a small commission. If you want some more tips on how you can start selling on Etsy or how you can start making some more money on Etsy, then just let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video and on the topic overall. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. As always, if you enjoyed this video, pretty sure you did because you made it this far, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. And with that, catch you guys next time. Peace.